In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and upload files in Replit. By the end, you'll know 3 simple ways to get files into your project. Creating a new file inside Replit, uploading files or folders from your computer, and using drag and drop. I'll explain what each option does, when to use it, and a few tips to keep everything organized. First, let's create a brand new file right inside your workspace. Look to the File Explorer pane on the left side of Replit and click into the folder where you want the file to live. This keeps your project tidy from the start. Find the Add File icon, usually a little page with a plus sign, and click it. Type the file name exactly as you want it, including the extension like index.html, script.js, or main.py. The extension tells Replit how to treat the file and enables proper syntax highlighting. Try to use clear names and avoid spaces. Hyphens or underscores are great alternatives. Press Enter or click outside the input field to create it. Your new file should appear immediately and open in the editor so you can start typing right away. Next, let's upload files or folders from your computer. Again, select the folder in the File Explorer where you want the upload to go. Click the 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the kebab menu, either next to the folder name or in the top right of the File Explorer. Choose Upload File if you're adding individual files, or Upload Folder if you want to bring in an entire directory. A file dialog will pop up from your operating system. Browse to what you need, select it, and click Open or Upload. Replit will bring those items into the folder you targeted, preserving file names and, in the case of folders, their structure. Larger uploads may take a moment, so give it a second to finish. Finally, you can drag and drop directly from your computer. Open your system's file manager, select the files or folders you want, and drag them over into the Replit File Explorer pane. Hover over the exact folder where they should go, and when you see the highlight, drop them in. This method is perfect for quick additions and keeps your flow fast and visual. For multiple items, you can drag them all at once, and Replit will upload them together. That's it. Whether you're creating a fresh file, importing existing work, or dropping in assets on the fly, these approaches make organizing your project straightforward and efficient.